I had way too many photos of my bridesmaids and our groomsmen. So what I did is I took all of the individual photos of us and I put them in these cascading photo sleeves. So this will go in my album just like this with the 2 pages in between. And we'll see all my beautiful bridesmaids on this side. We'll see some here, flip, see some more. We'll see Alan's wonderful groomsmen, flip, see them all here, and then see them here. And I think this will be such a great way to make sure I am getting all of these one-on-one photos of me and my bridesmaids, and then my husband and his groomsmen. And I'll be able to add that right in the middle. It doesn't change the layouts at all. It just is an awesome way to get your extra photos in.